Here's how to add and remove widgets on POCO X7 Pro. If you want to remove a widget from the home screen, then you can simply press and hold your finger on the widget, and then you have the option to remove it. And there we go, the widget is gone. In order to add a widget, you need to press and hold your finger on an empty space in the home screen. You will open these settings, and now tap on widgets at the bottom of the screen. Then we can start looking for widgets. Over here we have some various widgets that we can add. However, if you're looking for app-specific widgets, then you want to go to Android widgets, and there we go. Here we have widgets from apps. So let's say we want to add the Google search bar bag. We can find it in the Google apps over here, and then press and hold, and then you can drag and drop it anywhere. In addition to that, let's actually remove it once again, and let's go back to widgets. You can also simply tap on the widget in order to add it. So just tap on it, and then it will appear on the home screen in the first available spot. However, of course, you can press and hold your finger and then drag and drop it anywhere you wish it to be, if you wish to do so. Press done once you are done with the widgets. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!